Hi friends, welcome to Crafting and Relaxing. This is how the postage stamps turned out after I washed them. Be sure you don't miss that first video.
This is just my kind of project. You do a whole bunch of stuff and then you just leave it and it turns out perfect. I will say some of them are a little stuck to the towel, but not bad. And I don't feel any dampness. It is pretty warm in here. I don't know, probably not 70 degrees, but a little warm. Okay, the ones, ooh, good to know. The ones where I layered them, those stuck. So definitely don't do that. And what I'm thinking is I'm going to push all the paper off the towel over here. There is a little bit of dampness in the paper still because I layered them up so much. The towels are good too because you could roll it up and transport it to another place or whatever. But the towel itself, it is damp. So I want to get it out of here, especially in the part that had the paper. So I think what I'll do is, my coffee is brewing right now. I will get the towel out of here and then just leave the stamps and papers for a little bit, because I don't want to put them in the container until I'm absolutely sure they're dry, because it's one of these plastic containers that probably seals up and holds in all the moisture. They're a little curled. I don't think that's a problem in my life. I have glue. And I'm going to put the green papers in with the others now. Well, actually, I'm probably not, because I'm going to put those in a package that says neutral colored postmarks or whatever. So what do you think? I mean, I love how they turned out. Again, this is kind of like tidying. Like, I think I'd just rather have mine be done. I don't know that I found this process the most enjoyable or wonderful, but I love the results. And I'm checking to see the stamps. I don't think are damp one bit. I think they're nice and dry. Yeah, I think so. Now, I can't drink my coffee in here because Zelda would love this little pile of tiny papers that I made for her. This one is just too cute. I'm going to put it in a little section right here. So I'll let those sit for a while, and then I'll put them in the container. And same here. In fact, I think I'll spread these out a bit more. I don't feel anything that's actually wet. They just feel suspiciously cool. You know, like if I put them away, it might not go well. Dropped a few on the floor. Okay, so they do stick together a little bit too, but they're torn up old tattered paper. So I think if they get a little bit of layered up, yeah, like right in here, this is actually damp and stuck together. Yep, that one was damp too. Put it over there by itself. Overnight, not automatically dry, depending on your room and setup. Had I done them a little closer to the heater, that might have helped too. But either way, they'll definitely be ready to play with tonight when I get home. But I'm going to stay on track and keep tidying, so I'm not going to sit down and glue postage stamps for hours. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you're taking time for crafting and relaxing. Bye-bye.